Guys, we made it to day 21. How awesome is this? Oh my gosh, it has been such an experience. I have felt the love. I have also felt the stretching. I have been stretched. Having a video every day for 21 days was no joke, but it was worth it. And my gosh, I am so excited by all the feedback you guys are giving me. And look out for more information and more breakdown and more videos on the Fly Lady system. Let's talk about baby step 21, which is nurture your relationships. And for me, this I decided to put as my last baby step for me. These are 21 baby steps, Fly Lady baby steps, my style, okay? I think it is very important to take time every day to nurture our relationships. And I'm not just talking about the immediate family. We're already doing that and we're doing it well. But I'm talking about the people out there, your friends, your extended family. Because you guys, life, oh my gosh, we are so busy and it is so easy to get out of touch. And that is why I have decided for me, every day I want to do something to reach out to someone. Let me tell you guys, even my friends, the near and dear to my heart, sometimes I go for days and I haven't even talked to them, you know, and I don't think that's, I mean, guys are going through a lot of things. Times are tough. Find out how people are doing. So I try to consciously just go through any WhatsApp. I say, oh my gosh, talk about messages. I'm that person who replies to messages 3, 4, 5 days later. And it is not because I don't value that person, but it is because I get so overwhelmed. So in the evening before I go to bed, I put it as my evening routine to just go through my phone, respond to messages, and even if I've managed to catch up with my messages throughout the day, I want to be reaching out to someone that I haven't spoken to in a long time. A cousin, a sister. Oh, I wish I had a sister, but I have amazing big sisters. But anyway, my brothers, my parents. Oh my gosh, if your parents are empty nesters, imagine, let's consciously make an effort to reach out to them more, because they get lonely, you guys, and we're all out here in the city building our lives, living our best life now. And oh my gosh, sometimes, you know, let's nurture these relationships. Let's look out for each other. It is so important. So put it as part of your baby steps. Just take a few minutes. Imagine, the internet is so amazing. It has made it easy for us to be able to look out for each other and to check on each other in the comfort of our own homes. Yes, it is very important to go and meet out people, but even before you get there, just the random hi, how are you doing, how is your family, how are things going, and all that really means a lot, you know. So I'm going to be doing that. I hope you will be doing that. Just let's keep each other in mind. Pray for one another. Ask someone, how can I pray for you? How are things going? If you knew they were struggling with something or they were going through some type of situation, find out how that has unfolded. So that is my baby step number 21, because it's not just about us, me, my family, my house, my what. That's not what God wants us to do, honestly. It's about others, okay? So yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed these 21 baby steps. I hope they have made a difference to your life the way they have made to mine, because oh my gosh, my black tea is cooling. In the meantime, you can be watching the whole playlist if you wish. Watch another video on this channel. I really appreciate you. I am so proud of you for making it to this point. And bye.